Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make ginseng tea from dried roots. First, choose about 5 to 10 grams of good quality dried ginseng roots. Give them a quick rinse under cool water to clean off any dust. Then, carefully slice your ginseng roots into thin, even pieces. This helps release all their wonderful flavors and beneficial compounds during brewing. It's a simple but important first step to a perfect cup. Now for the brewing, put your sliced ginseng roots into a small pot or a sturdy teapot. Pour in about 2 to 3 cups of fresh water, which is roughly 500 to 750 milliliters. Bring this mixture to a gentle simmer over low heat. Let it simmer for at least 30 minutes to extract the goodness. If you prefer a more potent tea, you can simmer it for up to 1 hour. The longer it simmers, the stronger the flavor will be. Once your tea has brewed, it's time to customize and serve. Carefully strain the tea to separate the liquid from the ginseng root pieces. You can sweeten your tea with a teaspoon of honey or maple syrup if you like a touch of sweetness. For an extra flavor kick, try adding a thin slice of fresh ginger or a small squeeze of lemon juice. Finally, pour your warm, aromatic ginseng tea into your favorite mug and enjoy its comforting warmth and unique taste. For any leftover tea, simply store it in an airtight container in the refrigerator. It will stay fresh for up to 3 days. Don't throw away those brewed ginseng roots just yet. You can actually reuse them to make a second, slightly lighter batch of tea. Remember, you can always adjust the amount of ginseng and the brewing time to perfectly match your personal taste. And as a general health tip, if you have any health concerns, it's always wise to consult a healthcare professional before regularly consuming ginseng.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.